We all know how good and effective plank is, but have you ever wondered how it works? How do you tend to lose weight or build strength without moving a muscle? Just sit back and relax. Today in this episode of Genius Insight, I will explain the working and science behind plank and some unknown benefits too. Before moving on with the video, consider subscribing to our channel. That'll be super helpful. Let's get started. Before talking about plank in general, I would like to explain isometric exercises. Well, isometric exercises don't require our body to move, but they still engage our muscles. During isometric exercises, our joints don't move, the muscles don't stretch or contract, but tension increases. A great example is the plank. While performing a plank correctly, you feel growing tension in your shoulders, core, and legs despite not staying still, right? So every exercise that requires staying in a specific position is an isometric exercise. Now, you know what isometric exercises are. It's time to look at the benefits and effectiveness of the exercises. The plank position forces the muscles in your midsection to work extra hard in order to keep your spine stable and ensure your vertebrae don't move. This creates an intra-abdominal pressure, which has a brilliant carryover to such exercises as the squat or deadlift, where a significant focus is on maintaining a braced core. The other side of performing plank is its pros over the cons of repetitive exercises. While it's easy to get lost in the motion of performing endless passive reps of sit-ups, the stillness of a plank makes you actively think about achieving tension throughout your entire core. Improving this ability has a huge benefit to every other lift you perform in the gym, helping you to build rock-hard stability through your trunk. This helps you to transfer power more effectively, perform more reps, and avoid injury. There are two ways to perform plank or other isometric exercises. Either you will count the time or the breaths. At the end of the day, it's all about how long you can stay in a certain position. Choose what is more convenient for you. Setting a goal for a 30-second hold or 5 long breaths at the beginning is pretty reasonable. You will only need a mat and some space. Now is the time to try your own style of isometric exercises amongst a low squat, split squat, wall sit, calf raise hold, leg extension, just to name a few. That was our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a like and comment to show your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.